Welcome back for 3 viral hairstyles that are perfect for fall, plus my updated hair care routine for long healthy hair. I'm obsessed with the brand Necessaire, a pioneer of clean, effective skincare for the body, and now they're taking that philosophy to deliver results for the scalp. I've partnered with Necessaire to show you guys the Scalp Serum. This is my second bottle. It has clinically proven 5% biomimetic peptide blend that is shown to support hair growth, and visibly minimize thinning, which is a concern I've had for the past 2 years, I guess. I never noticed, but this side of my hair is a lot thinner, especially around my hairline. Actually, someone pointed it out in this photo, and ever since then, I've been testing out different scalp serums and sprays, and this is my all-time favorite because it doesn't have a gross texture afterwards. It's like you didn't put anything at all, but I have been noticing a great difference with fuller, thicker hair. So no weird residue. That is a huge plus with this product. Let's do the viral Robe curls with a kit. That is a trend since quarantine that is here to stay. Let's take down these curls, and the Scalp Serum comes with the hair essentials for $75 altogether with a value of $114, and you can get an extra 10% off with my code Wyers10, and that's not just for these products but the whole Necessaire site. And I never do them with wet hair. I find my hair just won't dry overnight, and I used to always advise against blow drying because I felt like it was just more heat damage to the hair, but your hair is in the most brittle state when it is wet, so I like to kind of speed up that process because I used to just put my hair in a bun when it was wet, and that's a lot more damaging than just giving a quick blow dry. And then I'll apply these heatless curls. And as I mentioned in my last hair care routine, I really started to invest in my hair care and skincare, and I've been loving the results. So cute. Headbands have also been making a big comeback. I've been seeing them pop up everywhere, so I'm gonna wear this one by Elena Haunch. The next fall look I wanted to try is where you do a regular braid and then pull the ponytail through, except I've tried it a bunch of times from viral videos and I find it unravels on me. My favorite way to do this is low pigtails. I think they're so cute for autumn and a way to wear your length but not have your hair in your face. Create a low ponytail with half your hair. I like mine to be always over the shoulder. And then instead of doing a simple braid, take out a face framing piece and either do a lace braid, that's where you're picking up a small section from your hairline and weaving into the braid, Dutch braid or French braid, anything will look super cute. My fave is a Dutch braid where you're bringing the strands under rather than over, and once you're at your ear, continue to regularly braid, keep the braid pretty tight, and braid to the point where you're 1 stitch past your pigtail. Secure with a mini elastic, and then with your fingers, pinch through that last braided loop and pull the pigtail through. I love this because it perks up the pigtail, and depending on your hair type, you might be able to just take out the elastic, keep the braid holding up the pigtail, but my hair's a bit too slippery for this, so I hide the elastic with the braid loop, give myself a little bit more volume and thicken up the braid at the top, but keep it tighter around the pigtail. If you like to keep your hair straight, you can leave it like this. I wanted to go a little coquette today. I've been seeing that all over my feed, and I love new aesthetics. I never stick to one, so I think it's really fun to try out new things. And I'm gonna curl away from my face. This is a T3 curling iron. And it's so much faster to curl the ends of the pigtails rather than your whole head. And my favorite way to style is to take the curl and comb up slightly to make it really fluffy, and then set with a bit of hairspray. One of my favorite touches is adding a cream bow. This next hairstyle is so fun. I kept seeing this on my Pinterest feed. You should definitely follow me on Pinterest, by the way. It's under Jackie Wyers, and if you're very proud of your Pinterest too, let me know in the comments your handle. I'll follow you back. but put your hair in a high pony. I like to gather it up high in my hand and brush into the ponytail. Once I applied a thick elastic, I'm taking the ends of a comb, pulling up that top section of hair so it's looser and softer and that my part comes back. I like having a middle part with the pony. And you can keep your pony sleek, but we are going to pull the ponytail forward in front of the face to style it. But if the hair going into the pony is too perfect, you might get some bumps, so it's a bit more forgiving when you have a softer texture up into the pony. And then divide this pony in half. With the bottom section, divide in two and wrap around the remaining hair and group together with a mini elastic. And again, the bottom section, divide into two, group together with an elastic. Keep repeating this, and doing a high pony and being able to see the pattern in front of your face makes it so much easier. And here's where the magic happens. Pull apart the sides for this fluffy faux braid. It is such an adorable texture, makes the hair look super thick. And my nail just popped off. These are not my real nails, they are by Olive & June. I glue them on and then paint them, and I'm such a fan of how these look. Styling with a couple curls around the face, and there you have it. What was your favorite? The loose curls with the bedazzled headband, pigtails through accent braids, or this bubbly pony? I think the pony's my favorite, but I do go for pigtails more. You can see this look over on my vlog channel while I was redoing my room. And thanks again to Necessaire for working with me on this video. I'll have them linked below, and don't forget to use my code Wyers10 if you want to try out the hair essentials or any other Necessaire products. I want to try the neck cream, that's on my wish list, and I'd love to know if you guys have tried it, and I'll see you in my next video.